Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by placing a horizon line and 1 or 2 vanishing points depending on the look you want. You should draw the flat front Z first, sharp, straight strokes that define the 3 segments. Once the front face is ready, determine a consistent depth, measure or eyeball an offset distance, and mark parallel guidelines. Make sure those guides align with your vanishing point so depth stays believable. This small setup step is what makes the Z read as 3-dimensional. Now project each corner of the front Z back along your depth lines toward the vanishing point. You'll mark corresponding rear corners at the chosen depth and then connect them to form the rear Z shape. Once connected, draw the visible edges that join front and rear faces, paying attention to which edges overlap. That tells the eye which plane is in front. Keep line weights consistent, heavier on front edges, lighter on far edges, to enhance the 3D illusion and maintain clarity. Finish by refining line weights and erasing construction marks so the Z reads crisply. Choose a light source and shade each visible face accordingly. One face brighter, one mid, one darker, and add a simple cast shadow to ground the letter. If something looks off, check vanishing point alignment and the equality of depth measurements. Misaligned projections are the usual cause. Make small corrections to projected points or remeasure the offset. Then retouch shading to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.